From here, we should move to a DevOps tab, because next features are related to Git Restore process. Let's go with Azure DevOps, but no matter which platform is it, the same feature will become available. So you can use it with Azure DevOps, GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Let's start with Restore process. Let's choose projects we are going to restore, or repositories in terms of the other platforms. And in the next step, we have to choose, of course, destination platform. I will choose Azure DevOps for this scenario. And here we've got the newest feature available in GitProtect, which allows you to use additional credentials, additional access tokens during restore process. This feature allows us to increase the number of API requests GitProtect can send to the platform, in this scenario to Azure DevOps, to perform the restore process. So with this additional users, we can improve the efficiency of restore process and reduce the time, especially when we are going to restore a lot of data or multiple repositories. Please note, you have to add this additional credential, additional personal access tokens, or additional GitHub apps in organization directly in GitProtect. So you just need to go to edit your organization, and there will be a space to add such a new credential. Then you can easily enable them for a restore process. There is also one new change which is available only for Azure DevOps, which allows you to restore repositories from this project copy. It means that all the repositories which are recovered together with project will come from exactly the same backup set. So no matter if those repositories are covered by other backup plans, maybe with newer copies, still with these settings enabled, they will came from exactly the same backup set, backup chain, the same version in general. So this is default behavior for application, and with this behavior, customers understand it exactly in that way. So let's press restore to start the restore process, and now let's move to our tasks. Here we've got many projects restored. Now tasks are created, but I would like you to pay attention on the label we have above the name of our task package, which is restore. So let's move to the last 14 days, and here every task gets a new label which informs you about which type of the task is it. So it's way easier to distinguish backup task from restore task, or maybe storage replication. Moreover, there is also available pretty useful search, which allows you to search by task package name or maybe a task type you are interested in getting some more details.